I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way.
You want a little light?
You came to me,
Just a little bit.
you gave me reason.
Got a lot of people in there.
Every time we touch, I feel like
Give me this baby. Give me this baby. Oh, come on.
put your hands in mine. I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. I really need to film these videos more. I always say that in these intros. Hold me to it, I'm gonna do it. But I know you guys like these videos. And Forrest is waking up right now. He's probably ready to eat. This baby will literally eat constantly if I let him. So I'm sure he's ready and willing. And I switched his camera around so I can't see if his eyes are open, but I think they are, so I'm gonna go grab him. I need to do a grocery home delivery. We have nothing in our fridge right now. I've been snacking on a lot of candy instead of real food because we have it, so I need to get some real food, but let's see what we even have. One more HelloFresh, I didn't know we had that, but obviously things are sparse in here. I've had to use Chad's heavy cream for coffee and it's like so disgusting. So yeah, I need that real bad. Let's go get Forrest though. I hear my bubba. Are you ready? Oh, hi Bubby. Do you want to get out? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me so you're not looking? Hey, I'm right here. Hey, I'm right here. Yeah. Oh, that's such a happy guy. Yeah. Oh. Alright, let's take care of that. Somebody has hickeys. Is it you? He's been doing this thing where he buries his face whenever he can. When he wakes up from all of this rolling, I'm sure he's going to want to eat. So if I have time, I'm going to order a couple of things from Ulta. I've been meaning to place an order for several weeks at Ulta too. I need some concealer that they sell. That's why I have to... You want to eat? Okay, let's eat. I'm just sitting here feeding my little baby. I have literally not even set him down today. He took his last nap on me. And I was just thinking about how it's so crazy that he doesn't fit into some things anymore. He's 9 weeks old, so obviously that's bound to happen by this point. But I don't know, it's just so hard to like wrap my mind around that he is a brand new baby and there are already things he will never wear again. It's like sad. Things like that are just hard to accept, honestly. So I don't know, it's so sad that he is getting bigger, but he's supposed to. That means he's growing. We do have a Christmas ornament handprints that we bought on Amazon. I know a lot of you guys are pregnant or have new babies too, so I will link it. I think it's like $15 and it's just one of those like circle style ornaments and you just stick their hand on it and put it on your Christmas tree. So hopefully we can get to that tonight. I'm just sitting here waiting for the groceries too. Those should be here within the next like 30 minutes. I'm starving. We have not had food in our house for like a week. So I cannot wait to actually have like a real meal every once in a while. Then I wanted to show you guys this book because I think this is such a great idea for a Christmas gift. This was supposed to be a Christmas gift for Chad, but he grabbed the mail when this came in, so I just gave it to him because I have no self-control. Let me put you down. Put you right next to your book. Oh my gosh. Hey. Right next to your book. Okay, so the website is hoorayheroes.com and I got 1 million Facebook and Instagram ads for this. I get them almost every day, so finally I bought one because, I mean, I don't know how I couldn't at that point. So you can put whatever you want on the forward page or whatever that's called. They have a lot of different books too, but this one's like the most sentimental. And then you pick what they look like too. And there's a mom version, a dad version, there's like several versions of each book. So here's Chad. I picked what he looked like. I picked his hair color, his eye color, and there's options for like freckles and facial hair and things like that. So then you pick what they do. So there are, I think, like 7 in here or so, and there's probably like 13 options. So there's a chef, because that's Chad. There is a TV host. That was like the closest option to a YouTuber. Is your mom a YouTuber? So I picked that one for the first 2 because you can pick the order. And then I picked a lot of options I thought would be fun for Chad, like things he would be interested in. And they're just really sentimental and cute. So if you need a Christmas gift for the dad of your baby or for a grandparent, whatever, they do always have a discount code too. If you are on their website, make sure you have a discount code because there's so many, there's no reason to pay full price. But I think I probably got 15% off. I know I paid $33 for this, and I think full price was $40. So yeah, there's lots of options to get a good deal on them. I really want to get the kitchen ready for bath time. It won't be for a few hours, but just so it's ready. So you think we could set you down in your swing? Sometimes the swing lasts a few minutes. Ooh, why is it so blue? Sometimes the swing lasts, oh, don't cry. Okay, let's just try. Let's try. Why is it so blue? Why is the camera blue? Hey, I want to get your bath ready. Can I get your bath ready? You love those. You've been sweeping a lot. You just ate, you just had a diaper. Look at Bubba. Come on. You just ate, you just had a diaper. Look at that. Baby today? Yeah? Are we just fuzzy guy? You wanna wear this today? Do we like this? What do you think? Baby. Oh my goodness. Hi there. Thank you so much. Hey. Hey. Daddy can put those away. Daddy can do it. Don't even worry about it. Turkey. I just fed the babies. So hopefully he hangs out here for a second, so that I can get this all taken care of. And this is what I've been using in the sink before his baths. I think it's just regular vinegar. That's what Chad wanted me to use. Bubba, hold on.
Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs of our fault. I'm sorry, but we had something real. Did it you, did it me. Now I'm swimming through.
Wow, he's cute. You want this hand first? Okay, I'll do this hand. What do you think of that? Wow, I love it. Hi.
I'll let you go, now you're stuck in my head. Like an all out, drawn out goodbye. Like an all out, drawn out
before he wanted me to tell you he likes to listen to Leon Bridges while he takes his bath. I'm sorry, while he has his spa appointment.
Call out to everyone I know. Buy me a drink and help me let go of the suffering.
You're a bath without me. What do you think?
A bit of time, a bit of luck. Now I'm dreaming of.
Bath time went well. I need to get his outlet sock because I know he's going to want to eat after this and then go to sleep.
Start over with someone else. Thinking of you, still making me breathless. We had it good, baby, we had it bad. I let you go, now you're stuck.
Okay, Forrest is sleeping. He just ate. He had his bath, then he ate. And now he's out, and I was going to go in my office and get some work done, but I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of what Chad's working on downstairs. We're finishing the 4th bedroom, the last bedroom. Downstairs right now he's putting in flooring and trim, and I haven't seen it all day, so I just want to see a little update too. Okay, I need my hard drive, my computer, and before I sit down I'm going to check my battery, 30%, because I can't tell you how often I sit down and it's dead and I have to get everything off of me and find my charger. We probably won't get to the handprint, but I mean, this wouldn't be a day in the life vlog on my channel if I didn't get to something I told you I was going to do. So it's almost 1 in the morning, so I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, and go to bed. Whenever I do these outros super late, I'm always like, should I even do it? Is it even worth it when I look like this and sound like this? But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!